I don't know, Uncle Al. I think it's on. Yeah, it's on. Okay. Uncle Al's going to talk about money, kids, so you better be quick and smart. Hi, folks. I'm old Uncle Al. Hi, kids. Hi, boys and girls. Anyway, today we're going to talk about first just-in-time prepping. So please check him out. Today's Friday, I think, so check out his afternoon get-together and talk to Will and say hello. And check out Coursera's Trainer's Halloween Tactical 101. And be sure to check out Happy Prepper. He needs 150 supporters. So please check him out. And today we are talking about money real quick. Okay, now, problem is a lot of people don't understand. This is a short one. This is just basics on money. Now, a lot of people ask me from Mel to AK Fab to Becky Styles, everybody who has been financially burdened or troubled about money. And I think Red Dawn, whatchamacallit, non NCP, I should listen to. But anyway, before we go on that, people were asking me hidden messages. Okay, I've been doing this for, I think, over 600 videos, and I got only about 899 left. And here's one of the clues. Okay, and still people don't understand that. We turn on the light. Okay, see that? That's one of my notes. And you're probably thinking, what the heck is Uncle Alan's talking about? I did this video about 300 or 400 videos ago, and still people don't understand. And you'll never will. And this is hidden message number 4. Now, I've been telling you this on December 27th, 2019. They're coming over. A lot of them are here. Just listen to any Democrats on the 15th and see in the news and see they're attacking horses. They're attacking the police. They're attacking women and children, old people, minorities. If they don't care if you're gay, Afro-American, my brothers, Hispanic, or Asian. They're a crazed mob. They should be labeled as a terrorist group. But no, a lot of people support them. And a lot of people are, I don't know what they are, but I'll explain that later on. Okay, back to money. Okay, big thing with money is a lot of you people haven't been trained properly. And we're keeping this fairly short today because money's a big thing and financial issues kind of screws up with your heads. Okay, now bank, you weren't taught properly when you were young. You thought you just cashed your paycheck, get cash, or leave in a savings or checking account, and you got cards and credit cards, debit cards, whatever. Okay, you weren't taught properly. Now, I always tell about people, we'll get to the $10,000 part later on, but first, know your bank. Does your bank take cash? Now, a lot of people, when I mention this, looks at Uncle Al and kind of look funny. Uncle Al, what do you mean they don't take cash? Well, a lot of places in the world, banks do not take cash. It's a financial center. They just use the word bank because they want to help their clients, and they don't have any funds in them. So it's like the poor bank robber who went there and tried to stick up the place. They just laughed at him. We're a financial institution. We're not a real bank. And he's looking around, and they said, go next door to the sandwich shop and rob them. They have money. We don't. And he looked behind the counters, and there's nothing. There's just pens and papers and computers, and that was it. And then the police arrived and arrested them, took away a sawed-off shotgun. And he said, that even the cops said, you should have robbed the sandwich shop. Over there, they're doing a brisk business, and they had more money than that so-called bank. Now, a lot of people are shocked, and I keep telling them, look in my aliens, UFOs, and Weird Thoughts channel, and you see a lot of people in the world realize that some of these banks aren't banks, but financial centers, and they don't have cash, which is really stupid. Sometimes Uncle Alan's head hurts too much, and I gotta try to massage it a little bit. Okay, so make sure your bank takes money. Ask them, you still take cash? Because a lot of places won't. They won't take coinage or anything. So make sure they take cash. Number 2, always have a small amount of cash at home. Now first, we're going to press on this. Now, I've been trying to tell people to do things to get money, but they do it wrong. Real wrong. Okay? Now, understand this. This does not go into savings. This is your personal amount you carry on hand. You either use a money belt, you use a safe, that stays at home or on you. Now, a lot of people don't understand why you want to carry that amount. You're not a drug dealer, but the way things are going, I don't trust the electronic system in the United States or the world. And other things is you've got to understand the function of money and financing. A lot of you don't. And then you have people like Couple Scout. I went to college. I know how to handle money. I got stocks, bonds, and stuff like that. It doesn't work like that. All right? You're trying to draw in income stream. You could do like couples work for an organization or association or place or union place that pays you by the hour. You're not making real money. You're just being a wage slave, or worse, working poor. Now, Uncle Alan is broke, not poor. He's broke right now and not poor. Normally, I would have you pay me $25 for every 30 minutes just to talk to you this. This is a free, no science, no gimmicks, no flashy commercial. This is free for you. So understand this. Does your bank take cash? Always ask them. 2, you want to have this type of amount. We'll get to this later. This type of amount on hand. Start slowly. Now, a lot of you say, but Uncle Al, I don't have money. Uncle Al, how am I going to get money? Now, Uncle Alan's getting a little tired, and Uncle Alan, I have to go through step by step because I told people before how to get certain things, and they still goof it up. All right? All of you who have a smartphone, a good one, and a laptop, you need a laptop, not a tablet or a smartphone. It has to be a laptop and a smartphone, and a good service system, either modem or Wi-Fi. Because Uncle Alan's getting a headache, you will not believe from this, and we're just starting the basics. So anyway, this is the first of the series money, so listen very carefully. But what we went over, does your bank take money? It's not a financial center. A bank has cash. All right. Number 2, have some income at home. No, not money coming from the skies, but what's in your pocket, in your money belt, in your little safe, in your wallet, or stashed away hidden. Okay? And that's the lesson for today. And this is free. Bye, kids. I don't think they understand, Uncle Al. Oh, boy. Again, most people weren't trained properly. And if you listen to all the credit card people say, no! And banks.
No.
And people who are in colleges or went to places.
No!
Okay? Just listen to old Uncle Al. This is free. I'll catch you later. Have a nice Friday.